Let's dive into Division 70/2. Hey math adventurers. If you're having fun learning, hit that subscribe button and join the Let's Stud family for more awesome math earnings. Alright, let's start dividing 70 by 2. First, we look at the div 7. We're going to use the first div of 70, which is 7. How many terms does 2 fit into? 7, it fits 3 terms. Let's add 3 times 2 is 6. Now we subtract 6 from 7, which leaves us with 1. Awesome, we found our first divot for the quotient, 3. Now let's bring down the next divot to make a new number. Great job, we have a remainder of 1. Now let's bring down the next divot, 0. We bring down the 0 next to the 1, forming the number 10. How many terms does 2 go into? 10, it goes in 5 terms. Let's multiply. 5 times 2 equals 10. Subtracting 10 from 10 gives us 0. Now remainder this term. Fantastic, we found the next divot of our answer, 5. We've used all the divots, so we're all done. Have 5. Says 70 divided by 2 equals 35. Great job, everyone. We just conquered dividing 70 by 2 step by step. Remember, even big numbers become friendly when we break them down. Keep practicing and you'll be a division pro in no time. That's all for today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and don't forget to check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.